I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a beautiful saree from indianvelvet.com. It's a replica saree. I'm going to give the picture of the saree somewhere here. It's the saree I ordered. It's a requested video, guys, and it's a bright yellow colored saree. First, let me show you guys the blouse fabric. They have given this plain Bangalore silk fabric in yellow, and the fabric is of a very good quality, very soft and a little see-through, so you'll have to get a lining attached. There is no design at all, it's just a plain fabric. So there's about 0.80 meter of fabric, which is a standard size. Coming to the saree, they have given this beautiful yellow fabric. The fabric used here is georgette, and it's very soft georgette, pleatable kind of a georgette, not very stiff. And then to the border, they've given this beautiful lace detailing in golden. I don't know why my camera is not focusing. Anyways, I'm going to give a closer picture of this. Now on the other side, if you see the stitching is also very nice, very neatly made, and all throughout the saree the border is the same. There is no difference in the pallu, it's just the same. Most beautiful part about this saree is that it comes with a koti. Now this is what made me purchase this, and let me show you guys how it looks. So it comes in extra large size, and this is going to fit like up to 42 or 44 inches of bust size. Now this is how it looks. It has this lace detailing, and then it has like a full sleeves. The fabric used here is georgette, and there's this beautiful teal green color and golden embroidery all throughout the shrug. And to the extreme end of the shrug, they have given this lace detailing in golden. Again, very nicely made. The stitching is pretty good, and I'm going to try it on and show. They have given the same detailing or the embroidery detailing all throughout the shrug, which I really like. Guys, the picture shown in the website and what I received is almost the same. The design, the lace work, the embroidery, the fabric, everything is really nice. It's like the softest fabric, very good party wear. So I would like to rate it 5 out of 5. Now coming to the price, the original price of this was 3,600, and the discounted price, let me just check, it is 1,850, which I think is a nice deal. I have not seen this product anywhere else in any other website, so really good. In case if you want to shop this, I'm going to give the link in my description box, or else you can directly go to www.indianvelvet.com and type this product code. You will see the product. Yeah, you can check it before buying. I really recommend this. It's a very nice piece, nice party wear, and they do have cash on delivery option, guys, but it totally depends on your pin code, so you can check if you are eligible or not. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked today's review. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.